Using GetX, you can manage the state in two ways: simple state management and reactive state management. In this video, you will see both the ways. Before explaining how to do that, let's just understand how do we define these two ways. Simple state management is just like a callback mechanism. For example, when you receive data from APIs, you have to inform the data observer to refresh the UI with updated data. On the other hand, for reactive state management, on receiving data from APIs, because you use observables or streams of data, you need not inform observers. They update the UI automatically. Now, let's first see simple state management. We have two components here, post list and post controller. You need to initialize the post controller before using it. We will cover the dependency injection part in future video, but for now, consider that you will get a valid instance of post controller in the post list. The post list extends getView. This getView widget reduces some boilerplate code for a stateless widget. It automatically fetches the controller specified in the Angular brackets from Get's dependency management and makes it available to use with variable name as controller. The post controller is a GetX controller. Consider it as a view model or a block where you define business logic or load data or prepare data for the UI to show. For this controller, we will have only one field, that is list of post. We also have remote data source. You need not bother about it for this series. In the onInit function, we will call the API to fetch the post. Then we will explicitly call update function. This function, in simple words, rebuilds the UI, that is the get builder. Remember to call the update function only after the API call has returned data. So this is how the simple state management is done. You have to remember to call update function. Now let's see how things change in reactive style. In the post controller, change the type of list to Rx list. Because list is not a primitive type, you need to explicitly mention type Rx list. For primitive types, simply call OBS extension function. This function will convert primitive type to its Rx alternative. Now in the UI, you can replace getBuilder with OBX. Pass the widget in here and that's it. Okay, that's it for state management in this video. Next, we will see advanced way of state management with state mixing. Leave your feedback in the comments and show some love by hitting the like button and sharing this video in various Flutter forums. And if you are new to this channel, support me and the channel by subscribing this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.